Now that we've completed all problems involving logarithmic equations, we're ready to compare the two different types of problems that we saw. Type 1 versus type 2. All right, with a type 1 problem, what it will look like in the beginning is that all terms will contain log, and they will all have the same base. In a type 2 problem, there'll be a mixture of log terms and terms that do not contain log. All right, how about the form? For type 1, your job is to rearrange the equation to be in the form log base a of blank equals log base a of blank. Versus type 2, where your job is to rearrange the equation to put it in the form log base blank of blank equals blank. When it comes to solving with type 1, your job is to set the two arguments equal to each other and solve for the value of the variable. With 2, you take what you have here and put it in your converter to rewrite your logarithmic equation as an exponential equation, and then solve using your other skills from earlier in the semester. So, let's go ahead now and put up some problems and see if you can categorize them as being type 1 or type 2. All right, here comes our first equation. Log base 6 of the difference 5x minus 2 equals log base 6 of 2. Next equation, log base x of 1,000 equals 3. Next equation, 3 times the natural log of the difference x minus 5 equals 15. Final equation, log of the difference x minus 4 minus log of 5 equals log of x. Okay, let's get to categorizing. Here we go. First equation. We have two terms. They both contain log, so this is a type 1 problem. Next one, we've got two terms. One of them contains log, the other does not, so this is a type 2 problem. Next one, this one contains log, this one does not, so this is a type 2 problem. This one, 3 terms, every one of them contains log, so this is a type 1 problem. Be sure to practice knowing the difference between type 1 and type 2. It will help you know what to do when you see problems that you need to solve.